fun stuff from us. Hi everybody! How's it going? It's Benjaline. Okay guys, for today's video. Hello everyone! Yay! It arrived. This is the ORTHENE Ant Killer, Yard Ant Killer that I ordered from Amazon. And I bought this product based on the many positive reviews from Amazon. And they even said that this doesn't just kill ants, but it also kills cockroaches. Now, I really have a little cockroaches now here in the kitchen because foods are always around. No matter how I clean and no matter how many chemicals I put, they're still there. So this one, I'm gonna try this one on the cockroaches as well. And for the ants, we have a lot of ants in the yard, around the yard. They are really damaging the yard. It is just insane. There's a lot of mounds and mounds of big ants. It's just nuts. I'm excited to really use this one, and let's open it first. Okay, here it is. So it's like 1 foot inside, so 12 inches tall. And ORTHENE Fire Ant Killer, and kill the mound, kills in minutes. I'm so excited with that. No watering in, treats up to 162 mounds. That's nice. Kills the queen and destroys the mound. Now I'm really so excited to use this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over the yard now. Okay, let's gonna open it first. I already tried to open that one. And direction to easily open inner seal. Ooh, this stinks. Oh, I can smell. Wow, it's strong. Aiming away from body. Insert cup down to puncture. Okay. Wow, this really smells. This is what the people were saying on Amazon, that this smells. Oh, strong odor, guys. White inside. Oh my god, it is very strong smell. I have to cover my mouth. This is super strong, guys. Super strong smell. Woo! Gotta go out now. As you can see, our yard has a lot of ant mounds. Look at that. It's damaging the yard. I'm just gonna sprinkle. Oops. Okay, go to the house, guys. Yes. Ruined by these crazy ants. Ruined. Look at all the ants. Where'd you get that?
Mom bought it.
Really?
She got it yesterday.
That's good. Finally have a...
It cost her like $200.
Really? And she will buy that much? That's ridiculous. Really? Okay.
Now where we're at,
There's a lot of ants. What's that? Thank you for watching. Bye. Be sure to check out my other videos, guys, over here, or here. And if you're not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. See ya.